Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So if your device is blacking out a little bit too fast for your liking, all you have to do is to go to the settings. Let me go back. Here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. And here let's scroll down to find the option which is called auto screen off. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we've got more options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, the longest, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.